Excel sheet could be super difficult because of its complexities, but if you want to simplify the process where you can generate formulas and spot the errors in your function, you can use this AI powered free tool which is called as formulagenerator.net. And here is where you can come and click on generate formula and choose Excel or Google Sheets, and you can send instructions saying, hey, add the values of column A and column B. Of course, it can get as complex as possible, but the best way to do this is where you can get an add-on on your Google Sheet, and you can simply download this app from Google Workspace, put in an access token, and once you're inside, you will have this formula generator on your right. And let's say you have certain rows and columns filled with values, and you can just come and add saying, hey, I want to add all the numbers in column A and B and get their average, and click on submit. So what happens is this gives you the formula, and once they give the formula, you can in fact get the output in real time as well. So you can just say run in active cell, and it's going to give me an average of both of these numbers, which is right here. If you loved it, follow me for more and share it with somebody who might find this helpful.